In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed a PDF on your GoDaddy website. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are in the correct site settings, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy website builder. Before you place the PDF on the page, make sure your PDF file is stored somewhere online with a public link. If your PDF is not already hosted, upload it to a file hosting service or another location where visitors can access it through a direct URL. After the file is uploaded, copy the public link to your PDF because you will need it for the embed section. Now go back to your GoDaddy website editor and open the page where you want the PDF to appear. Scroll down to the exact area where you want to place it. Then click Add Section and look for a section that supports HTML, custom code, or embed content. The available section names can vary slightly depending on your GoDaddy layout, but you want the one that lets you paste external content or code. Once that section is added, open its embed or custom code settings. In that field, paste either your PDF embed code or the public URL to the PDF, depending on what the section accepts. If you are using embed code from your hosting service, paste the full code exactly as provided. If the section only allows a link, paste the direct public PDF URL. After that, save the embed settings so the PDF is added to the page. You should now be able to see the embedded PDF inside the website editor. Take a moment to review how it appears on the page and make sure it is placed correctly. Next, click Preview to test the page before publishing. This is important because it lets you confirm that the PDF loads properly and displays the way you expect for site visitors. If the file does not appear correctly, go back and check that the PDF link is public and that the embed code or URL was pasted into the correct field. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the embedded PDF live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to view the document directly from that page. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.